I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Hey honeys, hope you guys are having a good day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back, honey. In today's video, we are going to be doing a get ready with me face and locks, honey. Okay, it is my birthday today. I'm turning 27. I am so happy. It is January the 8th. I'm not sure what day this will be posted, but I just wanted to kind of do a video with you guys, and you know, I don't know, I just did. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, honey, and join the family. Okay, and then if you're not already, follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and do that as well. Okay, everything will be linked below. So I am just going to put on some powder. This is some Milani Prep Set and Go transparent powder. Now, mind you guys, I have not used makeup in so long, so please do not judge me. I'm using Fenty. This is 440 Pro Filter. I don't know if we'll be able to get that to focus. But I just wanted to do a light beat. I already cleansed my face. So yes, I actually have in contacts. I just left from the I did not put on my concealer. This is some Sephora concealer. Yeah, so like I was saying, I just left from the eye doctor, and I finally got some new contacts. I had ran out, and then I just never went back in because of, you know, the pandemic and all and everything going on. I just hadn't been back in, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and do this for my birthday. And shout out to my eye doctor. I literally called them yesterday, and they were able to get me in this morning. So it was awesome. I was like, yeah, I want some contacts for my birthday. And it was able to get me right in. Now I'm not doing no special beats, okay? Because I don't even do all that, y'all. I used to when I was like in college. Like, I was heavy into makeup, like eyeshadow and all, and then I just started doing, I'm gonna put on more powder on top, y'all, and then I got into just natural, and then I eventually just stopped doing all the eyeshadow and stuff, and then that's when they started doing all the contouring, and Chad, I couldn't keep up. That's just too much for me. Somebody else can do it for me, child. I can't do it. It's too much. I like a basic beat. Now, if it's something special like wedding or something like that, then like, okay, I'm for it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're gonna do, these are, I think I'm gonna choose these. This is number 18. So you guys, I'm really excited for my channel this year. I'm excited for growth. It seems like every day that I get on here, I have new subscribers. So to all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so excited to have you guys here and create content for you guys. So if you guys have, is the glue that I'm using. If you guys have any other suggestions on what other videos you guys would like to see, please let me know down below. I really enjoy you guys' comments and feedback. I'm really liking this new schedule that I'm doing. I am doing lock videos on Wednesdays, so like actual content, and then on Saturdays we're doing vlogs. That way you guys are getting the best of both worlds. Before I was a YouTuber, I would watch YouTube all day long, and I enjoyed watching their content as well as vlogs and just kind of having a look into their life. So yeah. YouTube has changed so much since I started watching back in what year was that? And I kind of messed that up a little bit, but that's okay. Let's see, was I in college already or high school? Back around 2010, 2011 was when I started like watching like heavy. YouTube has really changed since then. Some ways for the better and some ways not. I think people have been able to blossom beautiful careers and have been able to experience awesome experiences. I don't know if these eyelashes is gonna be enough for me. I'm gonna have to change these out. I'm kind of going for the more dramatic since it's my birthday, honey, but for the sake of time at the moment, we'll leave it. I may change them, I don't know. Yeah, but people have been able to make awesome careers, but at the same time, some people just get really, and I mean really, like really over invested in these YouTubers' lives, and they just be going overboard and going ham. And so I pray as I get bigger that doesn't happen to me. But I mean, but that's just what comes with growth. It's gonna be haters. So I encourage you guys, whatever you guys are doing, don't worry about the haters. Just do you, boo. What's for you is for you, and can't nobody change that. Where's my eye stuff? Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm just gonna do a little bit on the brows just to kind of darken them up, shape them up a little bit, not too much. I really don't mess with my eyebrows too much anymore. I just get them waxed. I used to like really fill them in heavily, and I mean heavily. So yes, you guys, if there is any goals that you guys have, please go after them. Don't be concerned with what everybody else got going on and what they doing. Just do you, boo. The lip gloss is Fenty Beauty, of course. This one is Fenty Glow. Ooh. Ooh. I wish this was just a little bit darker for these lips. Anywho, on to the hair. If you guys have been watching my lock videos, y'all know I put some Jamaican black castor oil on and then my regular oil. And I don't have enough water in my spray bottle, but I've been lately just wetting my hands and just kind of really getting in there. Sometimes I feel like the spray bottle don't be getting it how I really want it. And sometimes my hair be like super duper dry and it needs a little bit more than what the spray bottle can do. I get my hair retwisted next week. And then what we'll be doing are, where will we be at? Will we be at 4 months, 5 months? Child, it's gone by so fast. I can't keep up. I think my hair is doing amazing, you guys. I really love my hair, and I really don't like my hair necessarily with a retwist. I really like it like this, like when it's time to get retwisted. I just feel like it's more fluffy and flowy, and I just, y'all, I just love it. Like, y'all just don't even know. But anywho, this is it for today, you guys. A little light beat. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. So I love you guys so much. If you guys made it to the end of this video, go ahead and comment the lipstick emoji, okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, y'all. I was about to try to push up my glasses. That's crazy. But this ended up being the birthday look. I ended up changing my lashes. Let me see if I can show y'all real quick which one. Hold on. I changed it to these, so this number, because those other ones, like I said before, they just wasn't giving me what I needed. And then I also redid my lips and kind of made it darker around the outline. So yes, you guys, this was a 2-piece. The pants look like this, but they were too big, so I just put on some jeans and my combat boots. Something real simple, real light, not really doing too much. Hopefully I don't get makeup on this collar. I really don't want to do that, y'all. But yeah, this is the look.